Get on board the SK plane. Put your seatbelt on and enjoy the ride. No wait, enjoy the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to Sophisticated Kay. I am about to do my hair in about 12 big plaits so that I can take it out and have my nice big crimped hair. I think by now you guys know that I like crimped hair and big hair, but I like to switch it up, do different styles, different looks, and I love my natural hair because I can be creative with it. So I like to part it in half. I'll just use a hairband to keep this side. In fact, it might end up being about 8, 4 on each side, just depends how big I do the part-ins. And I use a little bit of my olive oil moisturizer because I don't want my hair to be dry, and especially when it's big, you want it to have some moisture and look at least shiny and alive. And then I'll just do the 3-strand plait. Just get 3 sections and start plaiting all the way down. And when I get to the end, I use a little bit of my moisturizer so my ends are not dry. But as well as that, I use an elastic band. And I don't go all the way down to the end because I want to make sure my ends don't get split and damaged. So I stop a little bit towards the end and I put the elastic band on so the plait doesn't unravel overnight. And then I just keep going, although I come to the front. And I just use a crocodile clip to hold this together. And so remember, I stop before I get to the ends, put a little bit of the moisturizer at the end and apply an elastic band so it doesn't unravel. And remember to just put a little bit of your moisturizer at the end. You always want to make sure you protect your ends because once they're damaged and split, you have to cut them off. And that then means your hair will be shorter when really you could just protect them to prevent that. Alright, so that didn't take too long. I managed to put 5 on the left and 5 on the right, so I did say 12 but 10 in total. And to make sure that they stay nice and neat while I go to sleep, I normally use another elastic band to just keep them all together. And then I put my do-rag on. And in fact, before I do that, I'm just going to use the remainder of my olive oil moisturizer on my edges and wherever else I can put it, so that one, doesn't go to waste, and two, so that my edges are not dry and they can look sleek and shiny when I take it out tomorrow. And so this is a silk do-rag, which definitely helps not pull my hair out, which is important for us natural ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Alright, and so this is how I go to sleep tonight, and then when I get up in the morning I will take it out and show you exactly what I do to make sure my hair is nice and big, just the way I like it. So it's the next day, I'm about to take out my plaits. They're not as uncomfortable as going to sleep with bantu knots, so I had a good sleep. And all you need to do is take off the elastic bands from the ends, and as you can see, the plaits are still all intact, they're very neat, and I used to go to work with my plaits like this, so I have no problem with being a big time naturalista. And then you just undo your plaits. Right, so that's one side done, just move on to the next side. Right, and so now that they're all out, I use a big tooth shower comb, okay, and just go through them to open them up a little bit. If you like, you can part it in a certain direction and have more on this side and on the other. It's really up to you. You can part it in the middle. But I just lightly go through it. And have big crimped hair. So in the middle, you can part it. And just move it around. Big crimped hair with no heat. And all it takes is plaiting it overnight. Sometimes I like to keep it off my face a little bit. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. You can do anything with it when it's big like this, up in one with a big bun at the top, anything. But it's quick and easy. Just plait it before you go to bed, wake up and take it out, and you have big, crimped, natural hair. So make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment, and have a good day wherever you are with big hair.